how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Right. What did you do today? Anything special about your day?
Yes,
Right. What was so special about your day today?
I I just play with my friend Rhythm and with
Mm-hmm.
more friends.
All right. Fair enough. What did you play?
Bicycle?
Okay. So you rode a bicycle today. All right. Anything else that you guys played?
No, they
Nothing
also
else?
have bicycles.
Do I have a bicycle?
Yeah,
I do. I have a bicycle and I go for riding my bike on Saturdays and Sundays.
me too. I
You
go
too?
every day.
You go every day. Okay, that's very good. That's a good way to keep yourself fit. Right. What else do you like to play?
Uh, Bicycle?
Mm-hmm, that's
What
one.
else?
Anything else?
Uh, with with my car?
With your cars. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Okay. Right. Anything you want to ask me?
Yes.
Uh-huh. What is it? What do you want to ask?
How old are you?
How old I am? Oh, what do you think? How old do you think I am? You tell me
Uh,
first, then I'll tell you.
29.
29? I look that old? Oh my God, now I'm hurt. No, I'm not 29. I'm not 29. I am 23. All right. What about you? How old are you?
I am 7.
You're just 7 years old. Oh, you're such a sweet little kid right now. Okay. All right. Fair enough. Any other questions you have for me?
Do you have any pet?
Do I have any pets? I was fostering a cat till last month, but now it has been adopted. So currently no pets. Otherwise, I used to have a cat. Yes. Do you like having pets? Do you have any pets?
I have, but it died.
I had. Oh. Did you have a dog or a cat?
Mm-mm. I have a pigeon,
Oh,
but
you
a
had a
cat,
pigeon.
but a cat eat him.
The cat ate the pigeon. That's how he died.
Yes.
Oh, that's such a sad death to be someone else's food. Anyhow, all right. Any other questions you have for me?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. What are your other questions? Go ahead.
Do you have any channel?
Do I have any channel? No, currently no. I don't have any YouTube channel. I have an Instagram page, but I don't have any channel.
I have one YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel about? What do you talk about on your channel?
I just make the shorts in my channels, different
Uh-huh.
types.
Different types. So do you follow the YouTube trends?
Yes.
Uh-huh. What was your latest short about? What was the latest video uploaded?
Um, a dance,
You made a dance video. What song?
one Nepali song.
Uh-huh. Right. Did you learn that dance from someone else or did you practice it?
No, I already knew it from my sir teach it, my dancer.
Ah, okay. All right. Fair enough. Okay. All right. Right. Any other questions? You seem like you have a very curious child. You have so many questions. Do you want to ask something else?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. What do you want to ask?
What is your name?
What is my name? My name is Tanushka.
Tanushka?
Tanushka. It's an I.
Tanushka?
Anishka.
Yeah. Okay. Tanushka is also fine. Go ahead.
Tanushka?
Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, that's my name. Whatever you say is my name. It's fine. What about you? What's your name?
Divyam?
Your name is Divyam. Do you know the meaning of your name?
No?
You never asked Mama about it? Maybe you should ask that.
No?
It's in your YouTube channel name.
Yeah.
Divyam Divine Light.
Divyam hashtag.
Yeah, so the meaning is divine light.
Divine light. Now you know the meaning of your name, right? Go ahead, ask other questions. I feel like you have a list of questions for me today.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, ask.
Where do you live?
Where do I live? I reside in Delhi currently.
Delhi.
That's in India. Yeah.
Hmm. You live in a big house or small?
Do I live in a big house? Okay. I live in you can say a medium-sized house. So not very big, not very small.
Okay.
Right.
Is
What
there
about you?
I in medium house? I live in Kathmandu, Banastali, Nagarjun.
Uh-huh. All right. Okay. Right. Yeah, go ahead. What other questions do you have? You're asking something.
Um, do do you go that other countries?
Have I gone to other countries? Yes, I have been to a lot of other countries. And what else do you want to ask?
Um, do anybody live with you?
Does anyone live with me? Yes, I live with my parents currently. So
And your
two other people.
grandparents?
My grandparents don't live with me. My grandparents live in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand as well.
Then why they don't come near to you?
Why? Okay, so they have their own house and they really like their house. So they don't want to live anywhere else. So they live in their house, I live in my house.
Do you
But they come and visit me.
do you go there?
Yeah, I go there in every vacation. Whenever I get a chance, at least a week holiday, I go there to meet them.
Uh, and yeah. What do you like the most?
What do I like the most in what group of things?
Like
In
cartoon or dishes
in
or
the movies.
In the movies, what do I like the most? I like comedy movies the most, comedy and anime movies.
And what which activity do you like to do the most?
Which activity do I? I like to read a lot. So whenever I get a chance, I buy a new book and I read it. Sometimes I finish a book within one day.
I also sometimes I also read at night the
You also
books.
read at night? Right. So what's your favorite story up till now?
Till now,
Hmm.
I have one with a boy.
Mm-hmm. Right. What was the story about?
The story was about that. Oh, yeah, army one.
Mm-hmm.
One toys of army.
Right.
One has not one leg. So that the boy throw him out. He don't like him
Mm-hmm.
and he don't play with him.
Hmm.
So he's just sees a princess in one leg dancing
Hmm. Okay.
and he love him. After that, others said, "Don't go near to her." Then one
Hmm.
day they trapped him and throw
Mm-hmm.
out of that home
Window.
window.
Yeah. Through the window. Okay.
And from one board, he
Uh-huh.
go with some kids.
Hmm.
After that, one fish eat him. After
The fish ate him.
again, huh?
The fish
Yeah.
ate him. Okay. Then what happened?
After that, the fish go to that. lady,
Mm-hmm.
and after that she cut her. Then
Mm-hmm.
that soldier come
Mm-hmm.
and she again give him to that boy. After
All
that
right.
he be that he be very yeah
He become
he become very angry and he
Oh.
throw the that princess and the that and the soldier in the fire. The
Hmm.
that the pri- it was the soldier was made of anything any material,
Uh-huh.
and and the princess was made of a paper,
Hmm.
and he and the soldier love in a heart shape.
became
Oh.
a heart shape. Hmm?
Became
And
of the heart shape. All right.
yes,
Hmm. All right. What happens after that? Is this where the story ends?
yes,
Right. So, what did you learn from this story? It's a very
I
fun
don't know.
story.
They know.
You don't know?
My mom also don't know.
Your mom also don't know. Okay. Fair enough. Right.
If
Okay.
I talk to my father, I know he don't also don't know.
He also doesn't know. Right. Right. Okay. Fair enough. Is there any story that taught you something?
No.
No story teaches you anything. Okay. So you don't
I
read
have
moral stories?
one, two stories.
One or two stories. All right. So, okay. So, from all the stories that you have read, is there anything that you have learned from it?
Yes, from gingerbread man story.
From Gingerbread Man story. Okay. What did you learn from it?
We should not run for things. We should think how we will got it.
Hmm. That is true. Fair enough. All right. Did you like the gingerbread story?
Yes, I like it.
Right. Do you know that gingerbread is a food item? Have you ever tried it?
No, but I have make a video on it.
You made a video on it.
Story.
Ah, all right. Hmm, fair enough. Maybe next time you should try to search for gingerbread around Christmas and try to eat it also. It's a good snack.
I have never eat it.
You've never eaten it? Try to look for it around Christmas. That's when it's available.
I don't know how to make it.
You don't know how to make it, but you have a YouTube now, right? So you can search it up.
Okay,
Then you can help Mama to make it.
okay.
Do you like to make food? Have you ever tried anything?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. What did you try to make?
In, when there was corona, I
Uh-huh.
was small, 4 or 5 years old.
Yeah.
Then our teacher taught us how to make that one chocolate bread.
Chocolate bread.